Okay, fishing trip. Fishing trip.
Dude, let's go.
Starts now. Or we sink the side by side in the river.
You know, either or is good.
Damn, this shit got really rutted.
That would have been rough.
I can't believe I went through this in the Escape. What?
Oh my god.
It was a little frightening.
Killed a copper in a time or two. Man, if you're thinking you're a better beer drinker, buddy, I've got news for you. My town's smaller than your town, and I got a bigger bucket knife on my wall.
Dude, happy dad? Oh, you want some butter?
What?
That's wild, guys.
Yeah, this place is fucked.
Oh, that's so. This is a really good. Look at this one. Timmy likes the big
ones.
The big ones.
Well, that's the overflow. Can't include any of that on the video. Ow, fuck.
Watch the. Oh my god! Watch this culvert. That's not very narrow. That's pretty narrow.
That is pretty narrow.
I've done this trail.
Oh, you have?
Yeah, I think so.
How was it back then?
Very, very, very deep.
Very, very deep?
I took my entire through.
Oh.
On the window. That's so. You want to crank this down? Are you going right or are you going left?
I don't know if I can fit right. I definitely can make it this way.
Like going over that later?
Yeah, but as long as I hug the left.
We also have a win. Dude, I was not scared, don't worry.
What?
I said I was not scared, don't worry. That front right there, I'm like, oh, that's wild.
Okay, this must be it.
Oh, for sure.
What?
You gonna let me fish first, or you gonna go through?
I'll check it out first. What? That can't be bad.
Well, this is not even bad.
No. Actually, it's pretty dark.
Let's go test it.
No, look at right here.
Dude, second!
Let's go.
Is this the same guy?
Wow, that thing's huge. Okay, wait, Snapchat. Don't worry, Steph. Kenzie's having a great time, and look at, we're gonna eat good tonight. That thing is huge. Okay, well,
Let her rip, leader tip.
we'll see what happens. We're gonna bottom out here, I think. Maybe here. Oh. Okay. go.
Whole video, man. This is wild. It works so good.
What?
It works so good.
I know. Wow.
Dude, like butter. At least for the video.
Yeah, I guess. Why? What are you gonna do?
Record.
Well, here, take this one.
You don't want my phone?
No, this is perfect for the video.
Is it going?
What?
Yeah,
No.
it's on. Like nothing.
Why do we think this is gonna
I have
struggle?
no
idea.
We're like, oh, this is bad.
it just fucking crawls up it.
Like,
That's a good sized beaver dam. Oh, I'm sorry, Frog.
that was deep.
Not bad.
I know when it comes to the floor that it's deep.
Yeah, that was deeper than the river.